Hey everyone, welcome back. So you're here because, well, you're an Excel enthusiast, like me. And let's be honest, who isn't looking for ways to, just make Excel work better for them?
Yeah, absolutely. Especially when you're dealing with tons of data, it can get overwhelming pretty quickly.
Exactly. And that's what we're diving deep into today. We're going to unlock a secret weapon, a shortcut that can honestly revolutionize how you handle those, monstrous spreadsheets. We're talking about turning raw data into something that's, well, manageable and even, dare I say, a little bit beautiful.
I like where you're going with this. I think a lot of people get intimidated by the thought of advanced Excel features.
But this one's a game changer, and it's surprisingly simple. So simple, in fact, that you might even think, wait, is that all? But trust me, there's a lot more to it than meets the eye.
Okay, you've got me hooked. What's this magical shortcut?
All right, drum roll, please.
Mhm.
It's Creeneural plus T.
Yeah, no, it sounds almost too basic. But hold on, because it's all about what happens after you hit those keys. Right, because it's not just about bolding text or changing font sizes. We're talking about transforming your data.
Exactly. Hitting Sheetrel plus T on a selected range, and this is the magic part, it turns it into an Excel table.
Now, that might not sound like much, but think about it. You're going from just a plain old list to a dynamic, almost like a mini database right there in your spreadsheet.
Okay, now you're talking my language. So I use tables sometimes, mainly for, sorting and filtering. Is that all there is to
Oh,
it?
no, even close. Let's say, just as an example, you've got a spreadsheet with all your sales data for, I don't know, the past year.
Okay, I can picture that. Tons of rows and columns, a bit of a mess, probably.
Exactly. But with Sritra plus T, boom, you've got a table. Now you can instantly filter by region, sort by product, all the usual stuff. But here's where it gets really cool.
All right, lay it on me.
You can create calculated columns, and these columns, they let you create formulas that automatically apply to every single row in your table.
Hold on, so, if I wanted to calculate, say, commissions based on sales figures.
Exactly that. And the best part, these formulas, they update as you add new data. No more manually dragging formulas down a million rows.
Wow, okay, I can see how this would save a ton of time and headaches, especially when you're dealing with, like you said, huge data sets.
Right. And there's another bonus here. Because tables use structured references, your formulas are way easier to understand and audit. You're not hunting through cryptic cell addresses anymore. It's all laid out with clear column names. It's like writing code that actually makes sense.
Oh, that's a good point. I've definitely gotten lost in my own formulas before trying to figure out what's going on. And speaking of things going wrong, have you ever, accidentally deleted a row in a normal data range?
Oh, yeah, and then all your formulas go haywire.
Exactly. Does that happen with tables too?
That's one of the beauties of tables. If you remove a row, everything adjusts automatically. Your formulas, your references, everything stays intact.
So you're telling me tables can save me from those moments of sheer panic when you realize you've just messed up your entire spreadsheet?
They can definitely help with that. And it goes beyond just avoiding errors. It's about maintaining the integrity of your data, which is crucial when you're doing any kind of serious analysis.
Okay, so let's get practical here. Give me a real-world scenario where Control plus T just, saves the day.
All right, imagine you're tracking project expenses, a big spreadsheet with all the different costs, departments, dates, the whole
Yeah,
works.
I've been there.
Hit Control plus T, and suddenly that messy spreadsheet transforms into a sleek, powerful table. Now you can instantly see totals by department, filter by date range. It's all right there at your fingertips.
Okay, I'm starting to see the light. Literally, it's like adding a whole new dimension to your spreadsheet.
And imagine you need to calculate, say, the percentage of the total budget spent on each project. With a table, you just add a calculated column for that, and even if your project list grows and changes, that calculation stays accurate automatically.
No more manual adjustments, no more copy-pasting formulas. It's like magic.
It's the magic of structured data. And honestly, it's not just about the time you save. It's about making your spreadsheets smarter, more adaptable to change.
So Crucial plus T isn't just a shortcut. It's like a key that unlocks a whole new level of Excel mastery.
I like that. It's about taking control of your data, not letting it control you.
I love it. So now that we've blown your minds with the power of Crucial plus T, I want you to think about the spreadsheets you work with every day. What could you transform with this simple shortcut?
I mean, the possibilities are endless. Think about all the time you could save, the frustration you could avoid, and ultimately the better decisions you could make with your data.
That's the real takeaway here. Crucial plus T is just the beginning. There's a whole world of Excel power waiting to be explored. But hey, that's a deep dive for another day.
Exactly. So until then, happy spreadsheeting, everyone.
Keep those spreadsheets clean, keep them efficient, and we'll see you next time for another deep dive.